things I wish I knew when I first started knitting. How to up your pom-pom game. One of these guys is your best friend when it comes to making really full, fluffy and fun pom-poms. It opens up like this on both sides. I've already started to wrap over here. I don't even bother snipping over here because we're going to be trimming all of this afterwards. So I'll just bring the yarn across from the other side and just start to wrap. We're going to keep going until, as you can see over here, until you've really filled up this space. So it does take quite a lot of yarn, but it's well worth it in the end. That's nice and full now, so I get to fold this over, squish it in, and I'm going to cut all the way along the inside line here. It's very important to have a really lovely sharp pair of scissors, ones that are going to make short work of all of these lovely layers of yarn. I'm just double checking that all of the strands have been cut all the way around. And then we get to tie our knot just to keep everything secured. So before you separate out the pom-pom maker, just run one strand of yarn around. And I am going to tie several really firm knots here to keep everything in shape. So I've triple knotted there, and I'm going to even go further and bring it around to the other side and triple knot. Nice and tight. Now I'm confident that is secure, so you get to open up and see how this is taking shape. But we're not there yet, because the secret to a really good pom-pom is a really good haircut. So grab your tail ends. You're probably going to want those for attaching to your hat or your pom-pom garland, and give your pom-pom a really good shake. Out come the scissors again, because we're going to trim. Stopping every now and again to shake. So it takes a while to get this lovely rounded shape, but it's well worth spending the time. Quite therapeutic too, I have to say. And that is pom-pom perfection. And fluffy pom-poms aren't just for hats. Why don't you tell us how you use yours?